So the past couple of days have featured drought-busting rain with this recent rainstorm. Our very high rain totals, to say the least, very impressive. Some of us reaching the 7-inch mark. And these are the totals 48 hours ago as of 6 p.m. today. Lewis, Delaware, around 7 inches of rain. Over 6 inches of rain in Harbison, Delaware, and Fruitland, Maryland, getting to 6.4 inches of rain. And overall, just 3 to 4 to even 5 inches widespread across the peninsula. So to say that we don't have to worry about drought conditions for the foreseeable future would certainly be an understatement, which is absolutely great news. Now tonight we're dealing with some patchy fog out there. Looking live at Ocean Pines on the Ocean Downs Casino Skycam, and it's particularly dense over here, but it's a bit localized. Not all of us are seeing fog, but even in areas like Salisbury, just a half a mile of visibility and close to 1 mile visibility in Ocean City. So just be aware of that over the course of the overnight. There are going to be instances of patchy fog out there. Some of it could be dense, as you saw in Ocean Pines. Now, we still have the stalled frontal boundary in vicinity of the area, but it's to a point where it's weakening and it needs some daytime heating and instability to kind of work with and spark some isolated showers and thunderstorms. So that will be the case for tomorrow. The frontal boundary will still be in place, and once we get the atmosphere to heat up and kind of juice up the atmosphere, we will see a few isolated thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. Not everyone's going to be seeing rain, but where they do form, once again, as we've said multiple times this summer, they can provide some locally heavy downpours. So something to keep in mind. It's not a washout of a day, though. By the time we get towards Monday, I think it's overall a sunnier day. It's going to be very hot as well. I can't rule out an isolated thunderstorm during the afternoon, but the chance is lower than it will be on Sunday. However, disturbance passing to our north could drag a boundary across the area Monday night, so maybe another round of thunderstorms are in the cards for Monday night. But the big story over the next few days, particularly for the first half of the week, is certainly going to be the heat. Once again, we dealt with this earlier in the summer. We're going to deal with it again. Feels like temperatures above 100 degrees, particularly by Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday is definitely going to be the peak of the heat, with feels like temperatures at around that 110-degree mark. But a cold front is going to bring some relief and some increasing chances for showers and storms by Thursday. It's going to feel a lot cooler, and it's going to be increasingly wet as well. So with the heat in mind, the National Weather Service highlights Tuesday and Wednesday to be the peak heating of the day. So we have an excessive heat watch in place for at least northern counties, though I do think this is going to be sagging southward over the coming days. So something we're definitely going to be watching, certainly. Tonight will be muggy, 70-75 degrees with some patchy fog out there. Tomorrow, mostly sunny with isolated thunderstorms during the afternoon, and it will be hot. A lot of us getting to around the lower 90s for daytime high temperatures, but that's only going to be a slice of what's to come. With the intense heat coming by Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, feels like temperatures well above 100 degrees, but a major cool down and more wetter conditions are on the way for the end of this week. Deja?